Log into your PayPal account, come over here to your gear icon, click on Seller Tools, come down here to PayPal buttons and click on Manage. View your saved buttons. Click on the first row, click on Action, View Code. Make that a shareable URL. Copy this link. Copy it to your clipboard. And then you need to put this link onto your About page on YouTube, which I will show you now. Hi there guys, if you want to put a PayPal button on your YouTube channel for your users to donate, pledge or support, carry on watching. So we've just done that. Now come along to your YouTube channel. You'll be in your home page. Come across here to your About page. Scroll to the bottom. As I've already set up my donate button, I've got an active link here. So when you come along to your About page, there'll be a box here to paste that PayPal code in that you got. There'll be a box here to enter that PayPal link. You enter the PayPal link and confirm it. Then once you've done that, this will be active. Anybody pressing on that support my channel will go straight to your PayPal page. There will also be support my channel link just here on your header. Anytime that you want to send anybody to your About page, make sure that you copy this link here. This will bring them to your About page. Post it in the description box of any video that you're making where you want to send traffic to your About page. I hope that's clear guys. Okay, and that's just about it. Thank you.